Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, July 20th. The Zen story for today is titled The Bowl of Sky. It was a ceramic bowl, chipped at the rim and glazed the color of morning. Someone had left it in the courtyard, maybe by accident, maybe not. The cat found it just after dawn. Inside the bowl, the sky, pale blue, cloud-flecked, and still. The cat crouched low, eyes wide. Its whiskers trembled with wonder. It sniffed the bowl, circled it twice, and then delicately tried to drink. Nothing. It pawed the edges. The sky rippled. A small cloud wobbled. The cat tried again, licking carefully, but its tongue met only dust and porcelain. Across the courtyard, a young girl sweeping the temple steps. Ugh, sorry. Across the courtyard, a young girl sweeping the temple steps noticed. She tiptoed over. "What are you doing?" she whispered. The cat didn't answer, of course. She leaned in, peered into the bowl, and gasped. The sky stared back. "It's holding the sky," she said. The cat blinked. The girl ran to fetch the others. Monks, children, the cook with flowers still in his hands. They gathered around, gazing into the bowl. Some saw sky, others saw nothing. One swore he saw stars, even though it was morning. Someone whispered, "Is it magic?" "No," said the cook. "It's just water." "But there is no water," said another. Master Doken stepped forward. He looked into the bowl, then at the cat, then at the sky. He picked up the bowl, turned it slowly, and tilted it just so until the sky slipped out, vanishing with the angle. "Ah," he said softly, "empty again." He set the bowl down and walked away. One by one, the others left too, murmuring and shrugging. But the cat stayed, and when everyone was gone, it sat beside the bowl, watching it fill again with the sky. This time, it did not try to drink. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, arriving in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What in your life might be more beautiful when you stop trying to explain it? What in your life might be more beautiful when you stop trying to explain it? And now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What in your life might be more beautiful when you stop trying to explain it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.